Ever wondered why you have your mother's eyes but your father's nose? Or why your sibling might have a different hair color from yours even though you share the same parents? This fascinating world of genetic inheritance traces its roots back to a humble monk and his peas. The monk, Gregor Mendel, through his meticulous experiments with pea plants, shed light on a fundamental principle of genetics, the law of segregation. Mendel's law of segregation, at its core, is a simple but powerful rule. It states that each organism has two alleles for each trait, one from each parent. These alleles separate or segregate from each other during the formation of reproductive cells or gametes. This means each gamete carries only one allele for each trait. Let's break this down a bit further. Imagine a pair of shoes. You have one from your mother and one from your father, but when you're about to pass on your shoes, or in this case your genes, to your offspring, you only give away one shoe, not the pair. The other shoe comes from your partner. This is the essence of Mendel's law of segregation. So, to summarize, Mendel's law of segregation revolves around three key points. Firstly, every trait in an organism is determined by two alleles, one from each parent. These alleles can be the same, in which case the organism is homozygous for that trait, or different, making the organism heterozygous. Secondly, these alleles do not blend or mix together. Instead, they segregate or separate from each other during the formation of reproductive cells. This ensures that each gamete carries only one allele for each trait. Lastly, during fertilization, these segregated alleles recombine randomly, leading to the unique mix of traits we see in offspring. This is why siblings can have different traits despite having the same parents. So the next time you look in the mirror and see your father's nose or your mother's eyes, remember the humble pea plants and Mendel's law of segregation.